I'm geared up. 60k an hour gust. Pretty alright so far. It's pretty scary. Not scary. Might sounds like it doesn't work. You bear it in mind. Maybe we could do this one. Mad thing. Here we go. Bike's ready and loaded. Just extra fuel. I'm geared up as well. Today's ride is literally testing out how comfortable I am in this weather before I settle into some overnighters. It's pretty warm right now, just standing still, bloody warm ass, but I'm sure as soon as I got onto the road it'd be bloody cold. Anyways, less talking, let's get onto it. Pretty bloody windy right now. 60k an hour gust. Pretty alright so far. Pretty gnarly weather to be out on a bike right now, but it's alright. There's always an option to turn around anyways, so no biggie. The big question is, should I continue on? This curves always give me a nervous attack. Like, just the twisties, I guess. And get to see what the weather looks like ahead. It's pretty scary. Not scary. Yeah, nervous, you know, to see what's ahead. It's pretty damn cloudy.
Sometimes you don't really need a plan. You just need a reason to get out. It was late, it was freezing, and I didn't really have much time. But after having the bike sitting in the shop for so long, I wasn't going to let a cold winter afternoon stop me. Winter isn't exactly the perfect time to be riding, but sometimes the best rides aren't the one you plan weeks in advance.
I'm literally practicing like I was supposed to look at where I'm going instead of looking down to the ground, because if you do look at the ground, that's where you actually gone down into the ground. So it might sound nonsense, might sound like it doesn't work. Trust, it works. Target fixation is a thing. When you do your learner's course, the instructor would be telling you to look at where you are going on a turn. Even though it looks sketchy, it looks scary, because you're not seeing, you don't know where you're going, like, you know, like ground wise, but you'll just get the feeling of it, and you'll manage to turn by looking at where you're going. Check out this cheeky spot. Kangaroo poo. Oh, slipped. Fuck, that's slippery, eh? Fuck, don't slip and die. Not today, bro. Better go up that thing. Yeah, it's a good, sick view. I'm going left, not right, so you bear it in mind, Will. What if car's coming? So that's a bit dangerous, right? So I'm go back up that way. Go back up where it came from.
I wasn't looking for anywhere special today, just a few little trails, bit of open road, somewhere quiet to clear my head. There's something about riding without destination. You stop thinking about where you're supposed to be going.
Gotta be mindful, Will. That's slippery. Sorry. Well, yeah. Wait. Ho ho ho, cheeky spot. Maybe we could do this one. Ah, slippery, man. We should just fly the drone here and head back. Here we go. Let's go up this thing, eh?
I stopped for a moment to send the drone up. I thought I was just going up to get another shot of the ride. But sometimes you turn a corner, climb a little hill, suddenly you're reminded why you came outside in the first place.
How good! How good! Check out the view! Bye. Beautiful.
Maybe that's what I like most about riding. You never really know what's waiting around the next corner, and sometimes the best views are the ones you never went looking for at the first place.
There, got a good bike. Ah, Suzuki. Oh, I could hear the tractor, mate, from here. Bloody mad things. Let's get out of here and go home and get KFC.
The sun was starting to disappear, the temperature was dropping, and it was time to head home. Nothing crazy today, just a bike, cold afternoon, and a few hours well spent.
Ay, ay, ay.
And per usual, somehow every good ride seems to end the same way. Back home, fire gun, steak on the grill, and just a little feast to finish the day. Maybe you don't always need a big adventure. Sometimes simple ride is just enough, especially when it gives you something to come home to. Today wasn't about going far. It wasn't about finding somewhere famous. It was just about getting the bike back out there and enjoying the little moments along the way. Sometimes that's all you need. And that's pretty much it for today's ride. It wasn't a big adventure, but honestly, it was just nice to finally have the bike back and get out there. Again, thanks for watching. As always, I really appreciate you spending a bit of your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you haven't already, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and ride safe.